Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I'm very excited today because I have some amazing, beautiful products to show you from Tailor Marie. Tailor Marie is a Black woman-owned business, so it makes it that much more special. Tailor Marie is a statement accessory boutique, and Natalie, the owner of the company, makes many of these pieces on her own. She is talented. She's a beautiful person. She has a vision that she is executing wonderfully. And if you'd like to follow her page or shop from her boutique, you can go to Instagram at shoptailormarie or shoptailormarie.com. If you like any of the pieces that you see here today, you can also enter my discount code Candace20 at checkout for 20% off your purchase. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the items that I have today. I would call this an unboxing, but I've already unboxed them because I just could not wait. And I am actually wearing one of the pieces right now. These beautiful earrings are actually made by Natalie. They are super durable, but super beautiful. They're glossy on one side and less glossy on the other side. I love this half moon shape. It's just a really beautiful statement pair of earrings. I really like. I usually go gold or silver, but this color is giving me kind of a greenish brown. It matches with my gold robe. It matches with the rose gold pieces that I have to show you next. I really love these earrings. The next item that I have to show you, these are also made by Natalie. These are hair clips. She actually calls these crown clips. It's just so fitting because, you know, Black women, our crown, it's just great. These clips are a lot like the earrings, and the snap in the back is gold. I have two of them, and I'll show them to you. Look how beautiful those specks of gold inside are. These are a fantastic accessory to wear to work or school, wear at home, put your hair back while you're doing your makeup or cooking, especially if you have locks or braids and your hair hangs in your face. Those clips are perfect. On to the next items that I know you're going to love. I've actually used these items, so they're no longer in the packaging that I got them in, but they are luxurious, they are soft, they're beautiful, and they make a statement. So the first thing I have is a rose gold satin scrunchie that says wash day on it. I really like using this when I put my hair back to wash my face at night. I have another one that is a silver color that is still in the package. It also says wash day. Other scrunchies say protect the crown and protect Black women. The last item that I want to show you that I've worn quite a few times since I've gotten it is this beautiful, luxurious satin bonnet. It is lined with satin on the inside. It is stretchy to fit my big head, and it says protect the crown on the back. How beautiful is that? How amazing is that? I have satin bonnets that I've gotten from other places, but none of them are as thick and luxurious and soft as this one. Oh my gosh, look at the stitching. It is so soft around the edges. It's not going to leave that mark around your hair. It is just the best bonnet that I have ever owned. All of my twists fit into it, and I hope that if you shop from Tailor Marie, you purchase one of these bonnets. You can wear it anytime. It is so comfortable to sleep in, and you don't have to have a satin pillowcase because you have a satin bonnet. Other statements on her products include Queen Energy, Handle with Care, and my favorite, Black Dreams Matter. So if you're looking for a luxury boutique without the luxury price, owned by a Black woman, and quality products on top of that, this is the store for you. You can follow on Instagram at shoptailormarie or go to shoptailormarie.com. And don't forget to use my coupon code Candace20 at checkout. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a great day.